Simple example. Array, tomorrow we will go for movie. Just I'm telling to my kids, Array, tomorrow shall we go outside? Then immediately my younger son is always telling me, he's going to dance like anything. If we require to go outside, Array, we are going for outing kind of thing. Shall we do that? Baba, okay, you are God, Baba, for us. Okay, we will enjoy like that. We will enjoy like that. Yeah, excellent. If you want to do that tomorrow, can you please study at least 2 hours today?
It won't work.
Can you study today 2 hours or 3 hours? Okay, then we will go outing tomorrow. Or otherwise, just study 1 hour and then go down and play. But until completing 1 hour study, you can't go. You can't go. Okay, like so. Next day, do you want to see mobile? Yeah, Baba, I want to see some reels. Like, wow, wonderful. You can see the reels. No problem at all. But can you please complete these 10 problems and then I will give the mobile. If the kid is going to listen or not. Observe, man. If the person is going to listen or not.
100%.
100%. 100%. Okay. But the bigger problem here is what we want, we are always going to concentrate. What opposite person want. That thing we are missing. We never going to think about opposite person's perception, opposite person's desires, opposite person's wants. We never going to talk. We never going to think about that. We are always going to think about what I require, what I get, what I will get, what I require, or what I want. These type of things only. You are always calling the team member. You are always telling, I want so and so. You are asking your wife, I want so and so. Or your kid, I want good marks. Arey, forget about what I want, man. What opposite person required. Why don't you think about that? Remember this. How many times you heard this type of statements, man? Arey, that day, I'm in full need of money. For me, no alternative at all. That's why I did that activity. Have you remember? That's why I did that activity. How many times we had these type of things? Okay, that day I required that. I choose this job. Otherwise, my lifestyle is that different. You required something. That's why you did that. That's why you did that. In movies, especially. Okay, do you want to save your girlfriend life? Then you have to do this activity. Villain is always going to use a hero for doing his required things by keeping, okay, heroine or hero father, father or mother as a security. Have you remembered in how many movies this type of thing is happened? In every movie, right? So, what opposite person required? What opposite person required? That thing we require to concentrate. We have to help them to get that happily is going to do whatever you want. Okay, of course, in positive way. Remember that thing is very important, man. Very, very important. So, if you want that, you require to do this. If you want that, you require to do this. I know you require that. If you want that, I will help you to do. But can you please do this activity? How many times we had this type of blackmailing kind of thing in our day-to-day lives? Multiple times, right? Yeah, friends, multiple times, right? Okay, that's what you people. I don't use in the negative way. Always think about in the positive way.